What's up, everybody? I'm out here and I have stalked the taco stalker. Here she is. As you can see, she had a little bit of trouble. She got to work this morning and her TPMS, tire pressure monitor sensor, told her she had 11 psi in this tire. So I swung on out and I was going to take the tire into Discount Tire or something like that and get it patched, but I figure why not just swing by Walmart, pick up a patch kit and do it myself, save a few bucks for both of us, and yeah, make it easy, make a fun little video of this Labor Day weekend. And yeah, so we hope you like the video. Hopefully this comes out as expected and works, and yeah, we'll see what comes about this. So as you can see, first thing I did was I removed the tire. This thing has so much ground clearance, you seriously do not need to do that. Lift the weight off of the ground and drop the PSI out of it, and you should be good to go. But I went ahead and pulled it. I was gonna take it to Discount Tire like I mentioned. So should be easy to just roll around wherever the heck I want and get it done. So I went ahead and picked up an inexpensive kit from Walmart. It's about $6. It only comes with about, looks like 5 sticks, but that should be enough for one patch, even if you mess up, obviously. So yeah, let's see how this goes. First step is I'm gonna drop all the PSI out of the tire. I think it's sitting at about 11. So we need to get that a bit lower. You can also just pull the screw out at this point, and obviously that's going to help too. I'm going to pull the screw out. I don't have a screwdriver with me, so that's kind of dumb. The tip of my knife broke off, so it kind of turned into a multi-tool. And it's not as much of a burden as I thought it would be. So there you go. Okay, so there's actually 8 sticks, 5 long, 3 short. You got your, I call them stick applicator. You got your reamer. Basically, I guess the idea with this thing is like sandpaper, you kind of prep the surface, and then rubber cement, which is obviously an adhesive. I'm going to start with the reamer. With any PSI in the tire, it's not exactly easy, but it's not difficult either. I do have a hernia on both sides, and I'm able to do this just fine. So do a little bit of reaming. Makes it a consistent hold. Also makes it dump the air a little quicker. These things are disgusting. I don't have anything to clean my hands off with, but you probably want something. My pants should work just fine for me. I don't know if this is focused or not. You just feed the licorice through the stem of the handle. You just find this guy. Shove that crap down in there. Whoa. Use a knife just to trim it. I trimmed it basically flush or a little bit shorter than the tread itself. These tires are basically brand new, about 4,000 miles on them. Ready, guys? Right there's the problem child, and between the lugs. That's your basic repair. I only used a single stick on that. I think that's going to be just fine for this application. I did not use any of the adhesive. I'm going to research that to see if I just screwed myself. But anyways, this is a basic tire repair. Alright, got the truck nuts. Here we go. Now that they're a little snug, I'll put a little elbow grease into each of them. Alright, that should be good until we set the tire onto the ground. It needs to be done one more time. And then you need to drive about 2 miles. Make sure they're all still tight. If they're tight at that point, or if you snug them down at that point, boom, your tire's not going anywhere. Alrighty, got my trusty 12-volt Husky inflator. It's not very expensive. I got it Christmas time last year. I think it was like 15 bucks or something. Price-wise, it was really close to the Harbor Freight. And I mean, why buy Harbor Freight if you can buy something like Husky or something with a good quality warranty, rather. Alrighty, got the truck running. I guess the cigarette lighter doesn't work unless it's running or in auxiliary, but running is going to give me more juice. Alrighty, pushing 30 psi now. Once we bump up to 38 psi like the other tires, that's it. We'll see how she's holding. Alrighty, finally shut up all that racket. This guy reads right at 38.5, 39. Everything's off. I hear no noise, so that's a good sign. Alright, that should be it for the videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll snug those up once she gets home. Anyways,